Hello and a warm welcome from my side. Let me briefly guide you through the financial year 2024 results as well as the most recent company highlights. We made a big leap in EBITDA. It jumped from 126 million to 192 million, a jump by over 50%. Also driven obviously by the Kartek acquisition, but also driven by strong growth in the gross margin on an organic basis by over 14%. We made a strong operative cash flow, jumped from on an adjusted basis from 123 million to 149 million. And we achieved a very strong backlog at year end 2024. The book-to-bill ratio stood at 123, basically implying a growth of 23% in our backlog. The backlog of now over 2 billion covers basically the entire revenue plan for 2025. At the same time, the design win pipeline increased to over 6 billion. We saw strong improvement in the gross margin, which stood at 41.2% at year end. It had been at only 35% 2 years ago. This huge upward trend is due to the transition to new technologies. They include the introduction of AI Shield, a new AI toolset enabling the detection of intruders in networks for critical infrastructure. It includes Kontron OS, our own operating system for IoT products, our products for FRMCS, the 5G standard for railway, and 5G network access devices, which we have developed in cooperation with Qualcomm. Qualcomm has built a new IoT chip together with us in order to be equipped on our new 5G modules, which are meant to be introduced in various industries, including automotive, starting from 2026. In 2024, we also completed the acquisition of Kartek and started consolidating Kartek from end of Q1 2024 onwards. Let's also have a brief look at the history and 2025 forecast. If we look at the history, you see that we had achieved 1.2 billion of revenues in 2023, around 1.7 billion for 2024, and we expect to get to 1.9 to 2 billion for 2025. At the same time, the EBITDA jumped even further. It increased from 126 million to 192 million for 2024, and we expect to achieve at least 220 million for 2025. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm looking forward to staying in contact with you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out at us at ir@kontron.com. All the best.
Disclaimer. As described in the legal section on our website, seat11a.com, this publication is for informational purposes only. This means it is not intended to provide you with any investment advice. Any opinion or recommendation expressed by the companies is neither given nor supported by us and should not be considered investment advice from our side. Also, remember that any opinion or recommendation expressed is subject to change without further notice. The content is obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but we do not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, or timeliness. Seat11a.com and its employees disclaim all liability for any loss that may arise in any form from any use of the information in the video, audio, and on our website. We neither express any opinion on the future value of any security or other investment vehicle, nor recommend any investment based on the information provided. Please consider the publications and our website as a platform for companies to present themselves. You need to seek financial advice from an expert regarding the accuracy and appropriateness of the material presented or recommended by the companies in the publication. As we are just considered a publisher, we may hold and trade securities in the presenting company, whether it is a listed or private company. By consuming our content, you agree to these terms and the terms in our legal section on our website.